Prime Ship PSC Intelligence now includes a mobile version developed for seafarers. The mobile version has 5 functions. Checklist. This function allows you to use pinpoint PSC checklists based on PSC trends in each port or country and other types of checklists created by users on the PC version, even in an offline environment. Monthly information. This function shows the top 10 typical deficiencies with their transition graphs, actual deficiencies, and photographs for the past month in each country or port set by the user. NK-Pics. This function provides timely PSC-related information that users should be aware of. For the remaining functions on the PSC Report and Report function, please see the Part 1 video. Now, let's take a look at the PSC Checklist function. This PSC checklist is output using AI technology based on the results of trend analysis of the database of PSC reports entered by our surveyors and users. Here, we are using the PSC checklist for Novorossiysk port. First, select Port State Control. After entering the checklist output conditions, tap Detention Risk. If you want to cover all detainable deficiencies, please enter the number of items displayed and tap Next. Change to the checking order using the 3 lines and tap Start. Tap the checkpoint to be checked. Tap the screen to see the background deficiency image. Tap on the actual deficiency to see the specific points recorded by PSC. Tap International Convention Requirements to see the requirements relevant to the recorded deficiency. Tap the camera to take a photo and edit the photo. Enter a title for the photo and tap OK to register it. It is also possible to leave comments on each check item and its content. Perform a check on the contents of each check item. Follow the same procedure to check the remaining check items. Then tap Send to send the checklist to the PC version. In addition to the PSC checklist, any checklists and report forms stipulated in your safety management manual can be created or revised on the PC version and then used on the mobile app. In this way, PSC Intelligence will allow crews and management companies to save working time and have better visibility over their ship managements by replacing papers with modern electronic checklists, and further support the improvement of PSC performance for the vessels of each company's fleet and ship management systems by efficiently and sustainably implementing the 6 actions as a single cycle.